Alright, I have this tank in my yard. It's here every day. It's always closed. And today, it is still closed. But there is a bird inside the tank. I do not know how the bird got in the tank. Oh wait. Okay, there's a hole. I guess the bird went in the hole. Here. And he does not know how to get out because he's like retarded. Well. Okay. And I know you're not supposed to call people or birds retarded. He's just not very smart. Alright, bird, get out. Get out of my cage. Get out. Man. This is a mockingbird. I've never touched a mockingbird before. Come here. He's really small. Hello, mockingbird. Very cute. There you go.